Okay guys, so I got a quick video. I'm going to do an oil change on my wife's car. It's a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Should be pretty simple. Just got the 3.6. But yeah, pretty much just drain it, put a new filter in it, put new oil in it. So let's get into it. Alright guys, we got our oil pan under here. This car's a lot lower than my truck. Kind of makes it a pain to get up in here. Let's see if we can get a little bit more height out of it. Alright. That should work a little bit. Okay. So it is a 1/2 inch. Oh man. Oh. That was way tighter than it needed to be. Oh well. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and get this oil drained. And while it's doing that, we will go up top and get the oil filter out. Okay, so we're going to pull this air box off just so that we can get to the oil filter is actually right there.
Oil.
So it's right underneath your air cleaner tube. So it's right here, bud. See that little cap right there?
Like that down there?
Yep. That's the oil filter.
Okay.
We're going to pull that cap off.
This is the oil?
No, that's the coolant.
Is this where the oil goes?
Yes, that's where we'll put the new oil in. See, it goes. It says engine oil, SAE 5W20. Okay, so we're going to get this air box, just 3 clips, and then I'm going to pull this hose clamp off of this side because it's kind of hard to get this whole assembly out of here together, and we really don't need to get the whole thing out together. So I'm just going to pull
Let's get it out.
this hose clamp.
Okay.
And you don't really have to take this air filter box off, but it gives you a little bit more room in there
Yeah.
to work around. You don't gotta squeeze your big hands in there if you got big hands like me.
Yeah. And I don't have big hands like you.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so with that air box out of the way, you can clearly see that is our oil filter. So it's just a plastic cap and then a filter drops in there. So we're going to go ahead and get that plastic cap off of there. Alright, can't find my 15/16 wrench, but I found the socket, so that will work. Wrench or socket. May need an extension. Stay there. Look, something like that. So this part's your filter. It comes with this O-ring on here. So just pop that out and then we'll grab the new one. Okay, so this comes in the kit, filter, and the new O-ring. So we just get...
They rolled it out.
I didn't bring flat. That's all right. Get the old O-ring off. Oh, done spilled all over, making a mess. All right. Nobody saw that, right? Gosh, come on. So just make sure you get that back down into that groove. And then take your new filter and that clicks in there like that. And then we're going to kind of clean up that up a little bit, and then we'll just stick this back down in there. Make sure it threads in easily because it's just plastic, so we don't want to cross thread it or anything. And then get our wrench. And we don't have to go very tight with this because, like I said, it's plastic, so we don't want to crank on it too much. So I'm trying not to tighten down too much. I just grab the end of the ratchet. That'll probably be good. Okay, now let's go back under the car. We'll get the drain plug back on and then get some oil back in there. Alright guys, so got the oil drained. I'm going to just put this drain plug back in. It doesn't need a crush washer because it's got this rubber seal that's molded onto the bolt. So you don't need a new crush washer when you do these. But let's go ahead and get this back in there. Alright. Okay, let's go back up top and get some oil in this thing. And this engine on the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan does take 5 quarts. I forgot that. And so I'll have to go buy another quart because these bottles only come in 5-quart bottles. It takes 5.9. So you have to buy the extra small quart. So I'll have to go to the store and get another quart. But that is pretty much an oil change on a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Hopefully this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.